IMTSTV had an opportunity to spend some time in the Emerging Technology Center to find out about the latest advancements within MTConnect. MTConnect is a set of open, royalty-free standards intended to foster greater interoperability between controls, devices, and software applications by publishing data over networks using the Internet Protocol. MTConnect is a basic first step in linking shop floor technology and in moving towards the goal of seamless manufacturing operations. Here is Vice President of Technology for the Association for Manufacturing Technology, Paul Warndorf, to tell us about the evolution of MTConnect since its debut and about MTConnect Institute. So Paul, MTConnect was introduced at IMTS 2008. Talk to us about the evolution the past 4 years.
Yes, in 2008 we started off here at IMTS with a rather large booth that was in the center, and that was the creation of letting people understand how you can collect data off of various types of devices and machines and then utilize that data for creating information. Since that time, we have gone through 3 versions of the standard. We're at version 1.2 currently, and we'll be introducing towards the end of this year or early next year 1.3. That version is an enhancement to the standard that we're going to be adding in some other data items and features.
Now, Paul, I understand that you are part of MT Institute. Talk to us about that.
Right, we created the MTConnect Institute in 2009. That's so that we can bring people together to help out and assist in the enhancement of the standard. Since that time, we have over 100 organizations that belong to the Institute. We hold 3 times a year meetings where we have a good 50 to 60 organizations attend. And the purpose of that is they are in control of providing to us what we need to do to help out the advancement of the standard.
Now, Paul, where can we find out more information about both MTConnect and the MT Institute?
Well, there's two things. One of them, we have a website, and that's the MTConnect.org website. That you will find out about what's going on relative to the standard. We also have just recently created the MTConnect forum. This is basically a users group forum where if you have questions or you'd like to get answered, you want to talk about what's going on, here's a forum. And that's the mtconnectforum.com. Okay?
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
And here is Principal Sales Consultant for Oracle, Ranbir Mazumdar, to tell us about Oracle's debut as an exhibitor at IMTS 2012 and why they believe that it is a benefit to evaluate MTConnect. So Ranbir, I understand that this is Oracle's first time exhibiting at IMTS 2012. What brings you here?
Yeah, so this is the first time we are here, and manufacturing is a huge industry which has potential for doing analytics, business intelligence, and Oracle is platforms and a software company which has a tremendous presence in terms of providing solutions, platforms, architectures. So we see a great fit for manufacturing and Oracle, and I believe this is a great beginning for us. We are at the basement of something which is really exciting.
Very exciting, and I understand you have both a booth here in the North Hall at IMTS 2012 as well as having a presence in MTConnect. Why was it so important that you entered into the show with such a bang?
Essentially, we realized that MTConnect as a specification has real potential in terms of doing data analysis, aggregation, doing introspection. That's basically what we do. I have a background in embedded softwares, embedded Java, and Java is a tremendous tool for doing analytics, embedded programming, and that's where we see MTConnect as a tool which will provide us the door to get into what we call the edge to enterprise style architectures. By edge to enterprise, what I mean is you have on the edge all these manufacturing nodes, shop floor devices, sensors, which historically have tremendous amount of data which they essentially drop on the floor because nobody is collecting that. Oracle being a company which thrives in collecting data, doing analytics on those, we see a potential of doing big data style analytics on those, capturing that information, providing dashboards, be it energy efficiency dashboards, talk about people doing inventory management, cost savings. So we see a tremendous potential for this marriage between MTConnect, the manufacturing community, and Oracle. And that's where we have partnered with a company called System Insights, which does implement MTConnect. And we are providing the platform support for them. And we definitely want to come back in the next couple of years and have a much bigger presence and have a lot more to talk about.
And I understand that you're currently evaluating MTConnect, so it sounds like there's a lot still to come for Oracle.
Yeah, so we are still crossing the T's and dotting the I's in terms of the contracts and how, because MTConnect requires us to sign some implementers licenses and various other things. So that's basically still being done. But having said that, we believe from a technology perspective, it's one of the great specs out there. It's XML based, it's very technical, and fits right in how we want to solve enterprise problems.
Fantastic. Thank you, Ranbir.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate having me.